Our makerspace is basically designed to have equipment that normal students wouldn't be exposed to on their own, so they can actually come into our studios and make the products that they come up with, whether through their own personal projects or for a class project. So come down and see us.
And students will come down here and approach me with different ideas that they have. They are usually wondering, how to use certain tools, what would be the best method for making what they're trying to create. And I will take them and train them on different machines, teach them the proper safety etiquette for it, and then look at the different materials and stuff that they could use.
One of the perks of my job is I get to inspire and motivate the new students that are coming in to design and to create products that they come up with.